Baking homemade bread. Inhale. Don't you wish you were sniffing the comforting, enticing aroma of home-baked bread? Just the thought of it makes my mouth water. Baking bread at home takes a good deal of time and a certain amount of skill, but the end result makes the effort worthwhile. You need 4 simple ingredients to make a basic loaf of bread: flour, water, salt, and yeast. Yeast is the living organism that makes your bread dough rise. Active dry yeast is granular. To be activated, it needs to be mixed with lukewarm water about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful. If you use water that is too hot, it will kill the yeast and your bread will be a flop. This type of yeast needs to be proofed. After combining the yeast and water, you must wait 5 to 10 minutes or until a creamy foam has formed on the surface of the water. Instant/rapid yeast does not need to be proofed. It activates more quickly and can be mixed with the other ingredients immediately. A basic bread recipe. 1 package active dry yeast, 2 1/4 cup of warm water, 6 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. 1. In a large bowl, dissolve the yeast in warm water. Add the sugar, salt, and oil and 3 cups of flour. Beat until smooth, then stir in the remaining flour 1/2 cup at a time until a soft dough is formed. 2. Place your dough on a floured surface and begin to knead it. To knead the dough, start each stroke by gently pressing the dough down and away from you with the heel of your hand. After kneading it for 10 to 12 minutes, your dough should be smooth and elastic. 3. Place the kneaded dough in a bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size. 4. Punch the dough down, divide it in half, and shape each into a loaf. Place the dough into 2 loaf pans. Cover the pans and let the dough rise until doubled in size again, about 45 minutes. 5. Bake the loaves at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Remove the loaves from the pans and let cool on wire racks. 6. Savor every bite of your homemade bread.